Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to link a button to a page in Squarespace. This is squarespace.com, and to link a button to a page, first you need to log in to your account by filling your email address and password. From this page, click on this website button below your desired website. Click on Pages in order to locate the page you want to work on. Let's work on this home page, for example. Click on it. Then, to go into the editing mode, you need to click on this Edit button from the top. Click on the button you want to use for a link and hit this link icon. I already use a link for this button. To edit it, click on this Edit. Double click this link, remove it just like that. Then you can select your page from this list. Let's link to this appointment page. Select it just like that and click anywhere in this page to close this window. Don't forget to save your work. And now your work is saving. Now that your work is saved, click exit. And to verify that my link is working good, I need to visit this page from the incognito mode in Google Chrome. To do that, click on Settings, Domains and Email, Domains, Built-in Domain, and open this link in the incognito mode. If you want to become a pro on Squarespace, I recommend you joining my university today for free in order to get access to this Squarespace online course. Inside this course, you can learn many things, including how to get started with Squarespace, how to design and customize your website, also some advanced customization and features, how to optimize your website for mobile and user experience, how to manage and maintain your website, and also advanced tips and best practices. To get access to this Squarespace online course for free today, plus all of these online courses and also the upcoming free courses in my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's go back to our tutorial. This is the button with my appointments link. Click on it and I was sent to the appointment page. And this is how to link a button to a page in Squarespace. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe.